My name is Venita Williams. I live in Valencia, California. I had an episode in my bathroom and I decided to get it repaired. Novell Remodeling did a cold call, called us on the phone saying that they were in the area. So we invited them into our home and we made a deal. The meeting with Ori was really good. I had good chemistry with Ori. He worked well with us. He listened to us what we wanted, and he offered the best solutions for us, and we are very happy with our decisions. The work they done, it was really professional, very clean. They cleaned as they go. We didn't have any infractions, and I'm very pleased with the outcome. I would definitely recommend Novell Remodeling to my family. I give them 10 stars. Thank you, Novell Remodeling, for giving me a new home. I love my bathroom, I love my floors. Everyone who visits me, love them aesthetically. I couldn't have asked for better.